You're good, is it right?
20 years later, not much has changed.
Push your head into my hand. And relax. Let's go again. And relax. Tight as this is, Todd, this is just going to be a stretch, okay?
Okay.
Same thing. And relax. And again. And relax. Come on up here and have a seat. We're going to get the mid-back adjusted, okay? So I'll be using my left hand as a
I was gonna say, does this one hurt your shoulder?
Not if I just use my left hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Not gonna go.
Never does.
I'm not gonna quit trying.
Oh. Now my son